Hi, my name is Lewis with Rhino Roofs, and one of the biggest questions that homeowners face is, can my roof be repaired or does it absolutely need to be replaced? And the good news is that you can often get a sense of what's possible of observing from the ground. And let me show you how you can evaluate your roof's condition and determine the best next steps. Start with localized damage. Localized damage, this is when an issue is confined to a specific area. For example, a few missing or cracked shingles after a storm, a small leak around flashing chimneys or vents, what we consider hotspot areas, or minor damage caused by debris like a fallen branch. These issues are often repairable without needing a full replacement. Some other signs may be if you look under your soffit area, some staining or some black algae. Those are just localized areas that can be often repaired. However, there's some issues that just go beyond a repair, and watch for some of these warning signs when you're looking at your roof. Shingles that are curling or cracking across a large area, a lot of granulated loss, those little rocks that are coming off of the shingles that you can see them accumulated on the bottom of a gutter, multiple leaks in different parts of your roof, which just could mean that you just have underlying issues with the decking or the structure, or the underlayment is starting to fail or dry. If you're seeing these signs, repairs might only provide a temporary fix, and replacement could save you much more in the long run. Here's some things to consider before changing a roof. I'm gonna give you some considerations to consider if your roof is ready to be changed. Consider the roof age. Age is another major factor. Asphalt shingle roofs typically last between 15 to 20 years. And other materials like tile or metal have their own lifespans. Typically they're a bit longer than shingles. But if your roof is nearing the end of its life, even small problems might be a signal that it's just time for a replacement. And here's some things that homeowners just don't think about. Insurance companies, most require roofs to be replaced after a certain age. Even if they seem fine from the outside, keeping your roof up to date helps you avoid coverage issues. And here in the Florida market, we're currently in an insurance crisis, and they're getting more stringent and strict than ever. Here are a few ways to safely assess your roof without climbing up. Take a step back and scan the surface. Look at missing shingles, discoloration, or sagging areas. You can check the ground and the gutters, granules or pieces of shingles that may be coming out on the bottom of the downspout. Look for sunlight in the attic. If you see light coming through, you might have gaps in your roof. Obviously, you would suffer some sort of leaking issue if you had come across that. Just remember, every roof is unique, and it can be tough to make that call on your own. That's why we offer professional inspections at Rhino Roofs. It is a free roof assessment. We'll help you decide if your roof can be repaired or if replacement is the best option. Call us today and let's make sure your roof is ready to protect what matters most. Call us at 772-446-1139. Click the link below. I'll be giving more tips and tricks on how you can stay on top of your roof's longevity and to protect what matters most from our family to yours, Rhino Roofs.